In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on your side mirror. Let's get started. Push the mirror glass at the top. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get under the bottom of the mirror. Pop the two bottom clips on the glass. Pull the mirror straight down to release the clips. We're popping these two and then hinging these two down. Install the mirror. Get the two top hooks started. You'll feel them click into place. Hinge the bottom down. Push in. You'll hear the two clips engage. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.